We've just stepped inside Rosie the robot, Rocket Lab's newest piece of automation equipment. This machine, as you can see, is absolutely massive. You can literally park a school bus on this, it's that big. But what this machine does is it takes every single carbon composite component of the launch vehicle and processes it ready to move on to the next stage of production. Now what Rosie really means for Rocket Lab and our launch frequency is we're able to process launch vehicles so much faster. Traditionally you talk about rocket manufacturing in years, then you start talking about it in months, weeks, well we talk about it in days. Raw materials come in, rocket comes out in a matter of hours. So that's every bit of marking, every bit of machining, every bit of drilling, all the operations you can imagine. It literally takes hundreds of hours and we can produce one launch vehicle in this machine every 12 hours. What you see here is a second stage of Electron, getting the final post-processing completed on it, ready to ship out to the production line.